go, we're going to do a tour on this one now. It's all one family. This is all from the Lovelock Limited. It was their father's company apparently. So this is the daughter's truck. And some people have been asking about the tyres are on the wrong way round. Well, apparently it saves the wear on the tyres or something. It's a trick they learned on agricultural tyres. Spin them around the other way on the fronts and it stops them from bleeding or something. It makes them last longer anyway. But yeah, it's a Unimog 13L. We've got a big winch on the front here. Oh yeah, look, oh dear, big scratch in there, big crack. Oh yeah, it's just lovely. Massive 20-inch tyres. So, I don't know if you can see that. 425s, 75s, 20s. There's some lovely big exhaust. So yeah, the whole box is designed so it can come out. And the rear steps are designed to slide behind the cab. So you've got a nice locker system. And I've just seen the ladders, and apparently this textured is a powder coat, antique silver. So you know my ladders are going to go in. So yeah, that's how they've done the back end. So you go in the back, you've got a little bit of a area on the back. Sure, there's some people want to look underneath. It's clean under there. So yeah, again, the idea of the steps. I'm looking for some mine, so I've just got them on a pin. And step in. Right, we'll go and have a knock and go in. Right, here we go.
Do you want me to get out the way so you can take a video?
Yeah, so we'll come in. You can.
I know, I haven't even done a video myself inside yet.
It's like a little TARDIS in here. From the outside it looks so, you know, sort of small, but from the inside it's, you know, you stay in, you can explain what's in there. So.
Oh God, no, I don't like my voice.
Oh no, the same. So we've got your little kitchen units here. So obviously a sink and a cooker into it. You've got your fridge. Little telly in the bracket. Now you're saying, is it electric bed you've got? What drops down?
Yeah.
So you got electric double bed drops down. Beds below. But it is like a little TARDIS. You can go right down to the bottom. So you've got toilet in here. Is it separate shower room and everything? Are you?
The shower's just there.
So you got full, you know, mixed one then.
Yeah. And
then
that
what's that?
one's just the wardrobe.
Alright, oh, you've got boilers and stuff and wardrobes.
Yeah.
God, can't believe the size.
It's tiny, isn't it?
It's tiny from the outside, but I mean it's because it's like the thing with a lot of these overlanders, it's the width what helps.
Yeah.
You know, it gives you a lot more room. I mean, I'm 6'2" and I'm still fine in it.
You can't stand under this bit here though.
You got your little portholes. Look up.
You won't be able to stand under here.
Well, no, but you've got a little seating area. You've got your seat. Everything's in it.
Definitely. And there's got all the sink in there. That bit.
And how long does this took to build?
5 months.
Yeah.
If COVID went about.
Yeah. And you've got a YouTube channel as well, haven't you?
I have, yeah.
Yeah. And what's your YouTube name?
Yorkshirelass UK.
There you go. And you're on Instagram?
Yeah,
Yeah. Same again.
Same again, yeah.
And
Instagram,
Facebook or anything?
Facebook, yeah, same
Yeah.
again.
Same again.
Instagram, Facebook.
So we'll put a link into the description as well, so anyone can go and just follow it. We've done a little bit of outside viewing, so we'll have another quick look. But there we go. So can the whole box be just taken straight off them?
Yeah, just forklift.
Yeah? You just use a forklift, just take it all off.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
But how cool's that? And this is all one family, and then they've got other vehicles over there. So you say you're not planning on going around the world or anything then?
Not yet. Not yet. Yeah.
So you've just got this truck so you can pull you lot out if you're stuck in the mud, isn't it? That's what it's for.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a beast. There we go, guys. It gives you another idea. A cheaper way of building the box. I mean, you can sleep 4 in that, and if you look at the sides of it, and the room is just unreal. I mean, as you know, on the back of Mogs, they're not very big, but the space has been really utilised in there with how they've done the front. There we go. Right, we'll go and find their other family members now. Right, maybe you like that, guys. We're going to check out some more. I've got a couple of little van tours for you. I'll show you around. So, I'm going to have a quick look at this little Leyland. Question for people asking about the cover. It's because of plywood boxes, and it just helps them protect them longer. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're going to have a look inside. Ooh. Wow. It's like a modern, it's, as I expect it to be a lot sort of older. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, you see, you got your bedroom in there.
Yeah, if you go through there, you'll see the shower and the toilet in that
Oh god, yeah. Full shower system.
Yeah.
Toilet room.
Press the button there, the door opens on that.
It's so cute. It's the thing with everyone's builds are so different. It's.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
And how old's this truck?
1948.
1948. What's the top speed on it? I bet it's
50.
you get 50 out because
Should be 30, but I've got an old transfer box put in the middle.
Right.
One in, 1.5 out. Out of an old army wagon.
Ah, right.
Obviously
Yeah,
yeah,
'cause
because
that's-
back to front, so it runs the opposite way.
I have
Obviously,
seen a
army
lot
gear
saying
now.
30-mile-an-hour max on them, and it's like I wonder what these are sort of like on hills and things.
Yeah, yeah.
So you've got a little split door. And how long's this? How long is it in total?
The body's 20 foot.
20 foot.
It's the body, yeah. Yeah.
It's beautiful. There we go. So we're doing a little tour of this little beast. Look at that. So we're gonna all hand built. We're gonna go in. Now look at this for a little tiny home. So we've got full kitchen, everything on one side. Little sofa. You've got little wooden double glazed windows. Oh god, it's so cool.
This is awesome.
Okay. So there we go, 2 little single beds. And I suppose you could always make them into one big one. Okay, it just goes on and on. And you've got a full shower and toilet room. Oop, so there we go, look at that. Full shower, toilet room, everything. So tiny home, awesome. So yeah, I'm a little bit low for the ceiling. How about that, guys? Oh, they've got the little bulbs as well. power supply. So I'm not sure if they're on solar or anything on this one, but I mean that's fairly easy. Little tin roof, all wooden construction, just proper little tiny home on wheels. There we go. So easy. Got your aerial outside, all built in Dometic. Everything is normal. Proper little motorhome on the wheels. Toilet, water. So simple as that. You can even have something like that. And there's their truck. And like I say, this is all part of the Lovelock family, and this is the mother. And this is that. How amazing! Right. I hope that's given you all some ideas. And thanks to the Lovelock family for letting us look around. So here's the next one we're going to do. This is another part of the Lovelock family. Now this one is named after a mum. Her mum was Pat, so they've named this one Patsy. All the trucks have got names on. Now another little key thing, when their father died, they took him to the funeral parlour, whatever. They buried him in the back of this, so he had his coffin in here. This is a little poem for the dad, I think they said. So that. It's a cracking little setup, beautiful little truck. I mean, it's like brand new. And yeah, I mean, look at that. So we're going to do a little video tour inside this. This is a mum's little trailer, all fully kitted out. It's got everything ready, all road legal, tiny home. How cool. Right, back in a minute.
There.
What are you doing, Mum? Are you swapping Paul for us?
Yeah. This is awesome, this is. Is that a proper porcelain one?
No, it's from, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's what they're doing. Oh, I forgot the name of it.
IKEA, is it? Or?
No, it's a lab sink. A lab
right.
sink.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lab. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I bought them cheap.
That's nice square size, though.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. A lab sink, right. Well, that's handy to know.
Yeah. These is on my caravan. They're 20-year-old.
Does this fold into a bed or?
Yeah, no.
That's
the
seated.
storage
Yeah.
under there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, is it just him and his brother?
Yeah.
Oh, well, there you are then.
Yeah, there you go. You got your own beds at the back. That's still fine, wouldn't you? Yeah.
That's good.
It's amazing. So what's sort of the value of this? What would it sort of cost to build?
I don't know, really.
I'm on YouTube if you know.
No.
I'll tell you what. I don't like